We're going to be going through how to set up your file stream from Google so that you can access multiple file types straight from your PC and you don't have to just use the cloud version of Google Drive. Now, this is a note you need to make. This will only work on a PC or a Mac, but it's fantastic when you have Word files or other program files that you want to pull up on your computer, but you want to use the cloud service of Google Drive in order to store it. So it'll free up space on your computer and also make it to where you can access those files from any computer, as long as you have the program you're trying to load it with. So the first thing we need to do, if I go down here to the corner beside of the Wi-Fi and the speaker button, I'll need that up arrow and find the one that looks like Google Drive, and you'll notice it'll be grayed out. If you don't have that, then you need to go over to the other side where this Windows button is, and we'll scroll down and you should find Drive File Stream, and we'll just click on that. And what that does is it starts Drive File Stream running. Since it's already running on mine, it's going to pop up with a message telling me that Google Drive File Stream is already running. So now whenever I go down here and I click on the Google Drive button, it asks me to sign in. And so whenever I do this, it will walk me through actually several other things. It will ask me to choose my account. So this is after I enter my username and password. And then it's going to actually ask me to allow a few things. And what this does is it allows FileStream to read the files within your Google Drive. So we're going to actually allow all of those things. You don't really have a choice. You have to allow these if you want Google FileStream to be able to access your Google Drive files. So when I do that, I should get a message that says success and that I can continue using Google FileStream. So I'm going to close this, and you'll notice I don't have a G Drive or a Google FileStream that shows up yet, but it's working on it. So whenever I click down here in my Google FileStream, it's working on loading all those things. So you have to wait for this pop-up message to come up, and you can skip through these. It just tells you exactly what Google Drive FileStream is. And then it gives me this option, open Google Drive folder. So when I do that, now I'll have this Google Drive file stream. So let me go to my PC so you can see it. So before I didn't have this where it said Google Drive file stream. When I go to it, I can access my drive or I can access any team drive that I have. And then within my drive, I can access anything that's in my drive. So for instance, let's say I have a Word document that I want to pull up. But typically in Google Drive, it won't allow me to do that. It won't allow me to pull up Word documents or anything like that. I can just find the one that I want, and then I can open it up in that form. So let's say the mileage form. That's an Excel document. This is in my Google Drive. I'm opening it through FileStream, but it's going to open it in Excel. It's not going to open it in Google Sheets or anything. It's not going to tell me to download it. It's going to actually have me do it right there, right from the program, and here it is. So I have all of these things really at my disposal, and then when I want to save, I can actually save from my desktop into that as well. So that's the gist of how all this works. The neat thing too is, let's say I have a whole folder that I want to have for offline access. If I right click on it and then go to the Drive file stream, I can change this option to make it available offline. So when I do that, even if I'm offline, I can still get to the files that I need. So it downloads a copy. So hopefully you'll find this pretty helpful and see that this will simplify your life as far as files being on your computer, because if you store everything here, you'll never have to worry about losing your information when your computer needs to be reimaged or you have to use a different computer.